Namaskar Mitro, welcome back to another exciting project. Many of you give me amazing feedback on my last video and I couldn't resist taking it up a notch. Today we are building something special, a 4-wheel drive RC car with shock absorbers, made primarily from PVC pipes. But that's not all, this car will showcase a unique suspension system and some 3D printed enhancements to give it a sleek and polished look. As always, you will find all the essentials files and links in the description to help you recreate this project at home. If you are here for the first time and love exploring creative builds, don't forget to subscribe and join our growing family. Alright, let's dive right in. The gearbox for this car is inspired by a V2 engine, so I designed custom gears for the motors and driveshaft in Fusion 360. And I also designed 15 teeth bevel gears as I only had one pair of metallic bevel gears from the previous project, but we need pair of two and the product is currently out of stock. Alright, to make these parts in real, I'm going to use JLC PCB 3D printing service. I can easily print these parts with my 3D printer, but for those who don't have a 3D printer and want to prototype a project, then JLC PCB is all-in-one solution for you. JLC PCB is a well-known manufacturer of printed circuit boards offering multi-layer PCBs, flex PCBs, PCB assembly services, and SMT stencils. Besides PCBs, they also provide 3D printing and CNC machining services. They offer 3D printing services with different technologies, materials, and surface finishes. Even they also provide metal 3D printing services. To order your 3D printed parts, visit jlc3dp.com, upload your CAD file, choose your settings, and place the order. Thanks to their fast shipping option, I received the order within a week. The print quality is amazing, the layers are smooth, and the material feels strong and rigid. Now let's start the assembly process. Now before continuing the assembly process, let me tell you about today's sponsor LTM365, the first open platform for electronics hardware development. It keeps your team connected, streamlines design management with version control, and provides real-time collaboration and supply chain insights. Seamlessly integrated with ECAD and MCAD tools, LTM365 lets you design the future from anywhere. Bring your next big idea to life with LTM365. And if you are a student and want to be job ready in electronics design, then try LTM Student Lab. Just enter your university email to get started for free. You will get free access to PCB design courses, LTM Designer and LTM365. So you can collaborate with your mates, earn a certificate that recognized by top industries in India, learn real skills that lead to real job with LTM Student Lab. Check the link in the description. Now let's continue the assembly process. To improve the overall aesthetics of this car, I designed and 3D printed a custom shell cover inspired by the iconic shape of a beetle. If you look at this car, it has a charming vintage look inspired by the iconic shape of the Beetle. While it performs just as well as my previous project, it comes with the added advantages like a 4-wheel drive system and rear suspension, enhancing both functionality and performance. As for the gears, they all worked well except for the front axle shaft gears. I replaced those with metallic ones I had, and I highly recommend using metallic gears for both the front and rear axle shaft for better durability. I'm really proud of how this project turned out, and I hope you like it too. If you appreciate our efforts, please consider liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel. That is it for today guys. I'll see you in the next one.